x equals to sine cube t under root cos 2t, y equals to cos cube t under root cos 2t. Find dy by dx without eliminating the parameter t. Differentiate dx with respect to t, we get dx by dt is equals to d by dt of this. Apply the quotient rule of differentiation, we get equals to under root cos 2t d by dt of sine cube t minus sine cube t d by dt of under root cos 2t whole upon root cos 2t the whole square, which is cos 2t in denominator, in numerator 3 sine square t cos 3 under root cos 2t minus sine cube t 1 by 2 root cos 2t into minus 2 sine 2t. This thing is from chain rule, which can be further reduced to sine cube t into sine 2t into 3 cot t cot 2t plus 1 whole upon cos 2t under root cos 2t. Now similarly, dy by dt is equals to d by dt of this thing. Again apply the quotient rule of differentiation. We get in denominator root cos 2t the whole square, in numerator root cos 2t into d by dt of cos cube t minus cos cube t d by dt of root cos 2t, which is 3 cos square t into minus sine t from the chain rule into root cos 2t minus cos cube t into 1 upon 2 root cos 2t into minus 2 sine 2t whole upon root cos 2t the whole square, which is further reduced to sine 2t into cos cube t into 1 minus 3 tan t cot 2t whole upon root cos 2t into cos 2t. Now dy by dx equals to dy by dt whole upon dx by dt. Replacing these values in this equation, we get dy by dx equals to cot cube t into 1 minus 3 tan t cot 2t upon 3 cot t cot 2t plus 1. Simplifying this equation, we get put tan t equals to sin t by cos t. Similarly, cot t is equal to cot 2t by sin 2t. And further reduction of this equation, we get equals to cos square t into cos t 2 sin t cos t minus 3 sin t into 2 cos square t minus 1 whole upon sin square t into 3 cos t into 1 minus 2 sin square 2t plus sin t into 2 sin t cos t. Now, which is further reduced to sin t cos t into minus 4 cos cube t plus 3 cos t whole upon sin t cos t into 3 sin t minus 4 sin cube t. Now sin t cos t cancel from numerator and denominator. Minus 4 cos cube t plus 3 cos t is minus cos 3t, and 3 sin t minus 4 sin cube t is sin 3t. So dy by dx is now reduced to minus cot 3t, which is the final answer. Thank you.